Y'all better come up here and get one of these. What's that? It's a girl with locks.
Welcome back for another video. So today we are celebrating 9 months locked. We did it. We did it. And with the celebration comes another Loc'd video. I know I haven't done one in a really long time, but so this is just an update on my hair. I don't know why I started showing texture shots right now, because my hair was screaming for moisture. Baby, it was dry.
That chicken was dry, real dry.
So I went ahead and hit it with some water. I am testing out this everyday Loc'd moisture combination, but I'm not gonna like talk about it just yet until I figure out if I actually like it. I started it now. So if everything is panning out correctly, by the time you see this video, it should be August 4th, which is a Friday, Lord willing. But yeah, so remember that back row of my head, how I told you it had issues? Baby, it has issues. It is doing whatever it wants, and it's just living life. But the back is growing really fast. It's doing okay, but I'm gonna show you this problem area back here. Do you see that? So anyways, yeah, so it's gonna show some more texture shots, and then we'll move on to oiling my hair, since I already sprayed it with water, and then we're just gonna braid it down so that we can get prepared for the next day hair. So I'll come back in and talk after we're done doing the braiding or whatever. So another thing that I did want to add is that I haven't had a retie since my birthday, which was June 21st. So I won't be doing no retie anytime soon. I'm not due for one yet. I might do like some touch-ups here and there, like in the back or like the perimeter. Probably not. I'm not even gonna lie to you, probably not. Do you ever just really like how your scalp is not being seen? Oh, just me? Oh, okay. Alright, anyways, I'm gonna shut up.
Good day in my mind, seem to take a step out. Get some in now, let your edge out. Put some ice, but you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so, baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mindset. I couldn't keep from listening. I worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh, you baby, you don't care. Now I'm trying to make a nuisance, this is urgent. Trying to make some similar change, got me a war in my mind. Let it go away, think he was holding me. Choose the right, but it will pick up in front of me. All the while, I wait my arm, I'm feeling it now. Still wanna try, still believe in good days. Always inside, good days in my mind. Love me on my fears, my limitations, I disappear if you let me. Feeling like Jericho, feeling like Joe, we lost this shit. Gotta hold my own, my cross to bed alone night. Ooh, way to dip, way to kill the food. No, you like that shit, good, baby, baby. Heavy on my empty mindset. I can't keep losing this man. Still worried that I wasted the best of me. Oh, you baby, you don't care. Now I'm trying to be a nuisance, it's just urgent. Gonna make some little change, got me a war in my mind. Let it go away, he was holding me. To the right, but it will pick up in front of me. All the while, I wait my arm, I'm feeling it People say I drop too fast, move too fast, live too fast. Ain't no such thing as too fast. People say I drop too fast, move too fast, live too fast. Ain't no such thing as too fast. Living at the speed of light, like a bullet. I could be there by the morning. I can't call it, so I ain't got no time. Wait, I've been down and out for too long, and I ain't got too many options. Too fast, move too fast, live too fast. Ain't no such thing as too fast. People say I drop too fast, move too fast, live too fast. Ain't no such thing as too fast.
All I have to say is this braid out came out immaculate. Do you see this? It came out just spectacular. I don't know who I was talking to, but do you see the body in this? Yes. This is probably one of the best braid outs I did. But at the end of this video, I did throw in a couple of TikTok videos that I did of just some quick hairstyles that didn't make it to YouTube. So enjoy that at the end of this. Edges was laid. Don't know why I used Loc'd styling gel to lay my edges, but whatever. That's the end. Okay, bye.
A black girl in her locks. A black girl in her locks. Can't tell her nothing. Please don't touch it. You know she always rocks. A black girl in her locks. A black girl in her locks. Freeform micro sister or foe can't put her in a box.